Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. We are on day 8 of our 12 days of Christmas crafty countdown. Again, joining me today is my daughter Emmy.
Hi!
So let's make some predictions. We have not looked at the spoilers here on the site for the crafty projects. We're hoping, what else are you hoping to see in terms of a project?
Maybe like gingerbread man or Santa.
Or a gnome. I'd love a gnome. But let's see what's in number 8.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's against the wall.
You got it?
Wait, it's kind of big.
Whoa.
Oh, I think it's a Christmas tree. Ooh, I think it's a scratch art Christmas tree. Now the Christmas tree has a friend.
Hope you guys enjoyed this 12 days of crafty Christmas countdown. Join us again tomorrow. See you next time. Bye.